video. As y'all can see, I got two 10-piece nuggets. So you already know what time it is. It's time for that Flava Eats 20 nuggets in 10 minutes challenge. I've been saying I'm going to do this challenge. I've been saying it for the longest. Since she posted a video. But I'm just now getting around to it. But I've been wanting these nuggets. So let me see what I can do. I don't have a timer to show y'all. But I have one on my TV right here. But I'm about to get into this thing. I'm going to go ahead and open up these sauces. I got ranch, sweet, sour, and I got some barbecue. See, what I was going to do originally, I said what I was going to do is lay the nuggets out, put a little sauce over each one of them, and do it like that. So I ain't got to be dipping, because that's more time taken away from me eating. But I'm about to just do it like this, y'all. Get these bad boys open. Ooh. Alright, y'all, I'm about to set this timer. And we're going to get it. Oh, did I set it? Okay, there we go. Alright. The clock is ticking. Ranch is my favorite with these nuggets. I love this ranch. I pace myself. I think Flava did 15 nuggets in 9 minutes or something. Or did she finish it? I can't even remember. It's been so long ago. Since I said I was going to do this challenge. I'm going to watch her video. But I know her time was 9 minutes and 23 seconds. I was watching Munching with Kay and Nicole do it. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not even looking at y'all. I'm focused on these nuggets. I was watching them do it. Kay finished 20 nuggets in 5 minutes. I don't know if I can do that, but we're going to see. I'm at 7 minutes and 31 seconds. Oh, I'm counting down, so. I ain't gonna make it no 5 minutes. Number 10. 6 minutes, 43 seconds though. I watch other people do it, and they be eating fries and all that. Nah, I don't need no extra. Five minutes, 52 seconds left. Starting to set in now. Like, woo. This ain't as bad as I thought. Two nuggets left, 5 minutes left. I almost got you, Kay. I almost got you. I tried. I tried to get 20 down in 5 minutes, but I ain't make it. Trio dip. Well, I gotta finish chewing. If not, I'm at 4:23. I don't know if I gotta finish chewing or not, but 4 minutes and 23 seconds. So it took me, what? Oh my God. Yeah. I finished with 4 minutes and 23 seconds left. Oh my gosh. Woo. I finally finished a challenge, y'all. Oh, I didn't even give me nothing to drink. Oh, I got the water right here. Oh my gosh, thank you. That was not as bad as I thought. That was not bad at all. I finally finished the challenge. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm not as full as I thought I would be. I thought I'd be like about to bust open. But I'm not. It wasn't as bad. I was trying to get 20 down in 5 minutes, like Kay did. But I ain't make it. A little over 6 minutes. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Woo, I did it. I don't know if my food hadn't settled and it hasn't registered because I ate so fast, but I still feel hungry. And I just down 20 nuggets. Four minutes left. 4 minutes and 23 seconds left on the clock. Woo. If y'all haven't seen it already, go to Flava Eats channel and look up her her chicken nugget challenge, 20 nuggets in 10 minutes. I think she finished with 9 minutes, 23 seconds left on the clock. I'll give me a second. I'm trying to get myself together. I think it's like slowly going down. That's why I say I haven't, it hasn't registered with my stomach yet. But it was a fun little challenge. I'm glad I actually finished a challenge. Well, good little time. She said that I think she said Prissy P. I think she said Prissy beat her time. I think it was, maybe it was, no, I think she was talking about the crawfish challenge. I was supposed to do that one too. Still working on getting that one done. But this was a fun little challenge. If y'all want to do this challenge to see how many nuggets you can eat in 10 minutes. I finished with 4 minutes left. 4 minutes and 23 seconds. So, it wasn't bad at all. A little bit over 6 minutes, 20 nuggets. Not bad. But I'm about to wrap this up, y'all. I'm about to stand up and see how I feel after eating these 20 nuggets. But y'all, if you're new to our channel, I'm about to say my channel. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment if you feel like it. Let us know you here. We comment back. We make sure to engage with everybody. Thank you for watching. Woo. This water's not helping. I think it's like bloating me now. Thank y'all for watching. I had fun. Flava Eats, shout out to you. And until we eat again.